Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to track crypto whale wallets. Understanding whale activity is crucial for navigating the volatile crypto market. These large investors often move significant amounts of digital assets, and their actions can influence market trends. By monitoring their transactions, you can gain a deeper understanding of potential shifts in asset prices and overall market sentiment. We'll explore the tools and techniques to effectively follow these influential players. To begin tracking, you'll need the right tools. Blockchain explorers like Etherscan or BSC Scan allow you to view individual transactions and wallet balances on specific networks. For a broader overview, dedicated crypto analytics platforms provide aggregated data, identifying wallets with substantial holdings and tracking their movements across various assets. Additionally, online communities and news outlets frequently highlight notable whale transactions, offering another layer of insight. Identifying a whale wallet involves looking for specific characteristics. Typically, these wallets hold a substantial amount of a particular cryptocurrency, often exceeding $1 million in value. Pay attention to wallets executing large, infrequent transactions, as these often signal strategic moves rather than everyday trading. Some wallets are publicly known to belong to exchanges, institutions, or well-known investors, making them easier to identify and monitor for significant activity. Once you've identified and tracked whale wallets, the next step is interpreting their movements. A large purchase of an asset by a whale might suggest a bullish outlook, potentially signaling future price increases. Conversely, a substantial sell-off could indicate a bearish sentiment or simply profit-taking. Whales also engage in strategies like diversifying their portfolios across different assets or consolidating their holdings into fewer, larger positions, all of which offer clues about market direction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.